If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Citizens Business Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Citizens Business Bank regarding your account verification. They may have sent instructions or requested additional information. Step 2. Gather required documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Citizens Business Bank's customer support. Use the phone number or online chat option available on the website to get assistance. Step 4. Submit additional information. If requested, submit any additional information or documents promptly. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid further delays. Step 5. Monitor your account. After submitting the required information, keep an eye on your account status. Check your email and online banking regularly for updates on your verification status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider visiting a local branch for in-person assistance.